glad you're here. My name is London Brazil from evolvingtable.com, and today we're going to be making a delicious Louisiana classic recipe for shrimp Creole. It starts with the holy trinity of celery, bell pepper, and onion, and then a little bit of hot sauce and Worcestershire gets thrown into the mix, and then you finish it off by serving it over a bed of white rice. Okay, if your mouth is salivating too, come on in and let's get started.
Our shrimp Creole is ready to rock and roll, and I cannot wait to dig in. It smells so good, and my whole house is like just as delicious smelling too. The hubby's gonna be pretty excited when he gets home from work today. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and take a nice big bite. Oh yeah, get a big old Gulf shrimp right there. There we go. Now that is full of all the Louisiana flavors you know and love. The spicy blackened seasoning mixed in with the holy trinity and a bit of blackened seasoning and chili powder. It seriously does not get any better than this shrimp Creole recipe. If you're not already, go ahead and follow at Evolving Table on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Or if you're on YouTube, subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you don't miss a future recipe. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you again soon.
A Louisiana crack. It's not crack, I promise. A Louisiana crack. I can't stop saying crack.